On fire. Known as Marvell Technology Group Limited, is a global semiconductor company. Founded in 1995, the company now has more than 6,000 employees and 10,000 patents worldwide and annual revenue of $2.9 billion. Its U.S. headquarters is in Santa Clara, California, and it has design centers in 14 countries across 3 continents. Hot on the heels of Amazon's Graviton 2, Marvell has announced the launch of the ThunderX3, its third-generation ARM server processor. Anandtech's Andrei Frumusanu reports that the chip, originally forged by a small startup called Cavium, subsequently acquired by Marvell, has capabilities shared by none of its big rivals. The ThunderX3 is one of the very few processors that can do more than 2 threads per physical core. Its 96-core, a very high count for a general processor, offers up to 384 threads on a single socket, with custom-designed ARM v8.3+ cores and speeds that are likely to ramp up to 3 GHz. A server can support up to 2 sockets and a total of 16 DDR4 memory controllers. Comparisons published by Marvell showed that the TX3 can deliver a much higher performance per watt, up to 100%, than the competition, which in this case includes AMD's older Rome EPYC and Intel's Cascade Lake SP Xeons. The ThunderX3 is ideal for data centers, cloud computing giants, virtual desktop services and website hosting companies.